popular request is toppers, and we officially have them coming back for this wig show Tuesday. So I'm going to show you guys quick how to use them. These are incredibly natural feeling, very, very lightweight, heat safe, so you can style them however you'd like to make sure that it blends for you. Really beautiful, light, nice lace. It does have these combs, this little strap on here. I don't know if I should have said that. A little strap here. Anyway, we're gonna demonstrate it on Aubrey really quick because I think this one would be good for you. It's not gonna blend perfectly, but not.
I think it does actually.
Okay. So we could like trim this and like, add a little bit of curl.
Mm-hmm.
Do we deep dive that much?
I think so.
Okay. So this does actually have a strap. And what we're going to do is just put this like underneath your head because it's almost like wearing a wig. Right? Does that work? Yeah. So it's almost like you're putting a wig on.
I think we did this the most inefficient way possible.
That's all right. Oh, that looks so good though.
Oh.
All right, we're gonna brush it out. Then I'm going to trim it up a little bit, and then I'm going to add some curl as well. But it's looking really nice. Did you curl your hair today?
I didn't.
This is just natural?
I braided it in my sleep.
So everything about you is...
Or for sleep.
We're gonna blow this tag, because...
Ow.
It doesn't hurt. Oh, you were doing it what I do to people. Okay. It's just take, because it has like these clips underneath. I'm going to open them up and then just put it into her hair. So we can use her own hairline on this as well. Really just depends on like what sort of like potential hair loss you may have on the top of your head. And then we pull this up and just point cut a little bit here to blend. It's not perfect, but again, we're trying not to also cut off this hair. Working in smaller sections to keep the strand, and then make sure you are keeping it moving. A regular curling iron would probably work better than this, but this is what we have here because I don't have hair tools anymore. We just have like a lot of hot combs around here.
Lots of hot combs.
She just saw Jason Chelsey in Tahoe, you guys. Did you see him like just out and about?
They were getting ice cream at Cold Stone. They were so sweet.
Was he with his wife?
Yes, and all the kids, and they're adorable.
Oh my god, you just saw Taylor Swift's nieces.
Mm-hmm. I breathe the same air they have.
Oh my gosh. I also did quite a bit of shopping this weekend, and Cody's like, did you tell Aubrey that you got her some new clothes?
Gorgeous.
Yeah, this side's even working out better. Hand, and I don't want it getting hurt. You can also use, like I was grabbing this bottle here and just reinforcing the curl. Oh, beautiful. Dang.
I'm gonna
Those
do
are
so
all
good.
good. Hey Stevie, come here. Come here.
It looks really good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Cold, right?
Uh-huh. But does it look fuller on top?
It does. It looks like it has more volume.
That's right!
Okay.
Ding, 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 ding. All right, and here is our after. Stunning. Let's do this more often.
Yes.